Good morning, good people. Market just opened. You see, I got my flaming B on the hat, blazing Tuesdays. Uh, I'm just sitting here waiting on a trade to set up. Once something set up, I'll get this rolling again so we can try to catch a couple trades on the day and get this funded account closer to being funded. Uh, Yesterday, on the last trade or the last day, I ended up down 500 on one of my funded accounts. But I done brought that one back to about break even. See, $40 off. Uh, Probably more off commissions than anything. But my trailing drawdown now on it is 2173. So we got both of these accounts back up. I blew one of my evals. I ain't get paid for another one yet. I probably end up doing that by the next one, but I'm gonna try to catch one in this account, and try to get it closer to being able to take a payout. But until then, let's pause this and I'll be back on here once something set up. Filled. All right, I done messed around and got filled without watching, but I'm in a position right now off the highs. Stop out above the highs. This just a eval, so I should lose maybe 150, $200 if anything. Try to get it back down to take one of them off here. I only got 3 contracts. Take one off here, maybe one off down at the 200 if it get there. Go ahead and put out a couple orders just in case you want to feel me. Now in my other account, I got orders sitting right here to try to get filled. So if it start moving down that way, I'm gonna mess around, switch back, just mitigated a little bit of risk. Like I said, I'm gonna stop out above the high if it get up there. So let me see, what is that? 84. Click on here. See what I lose. $160. So half. So I lose $80 if it get up there, which is fine. This was just a quick try because it's struggling up here right now. But let's get some move back. I actually can go ahead and throw my other two up here just in case it get up there. Switch over to my other account. I just gotta remember to switch back over if it start coming down here. Let me see. But that's a longer play. So, like I said, I got this in right here. And if it get filled, then I'll just come back on and let y'all know. Order filled. Finally got us a trade on. Now I just needed to push down a little bit more. Took a while. My other trade, I'm still in. I got a sale right here to take it off, or I take off one of the contracts. I actually added 2 more contracts back to it. A little bit more, a little bit. I was trying to be greedy right there. Uh, Take this one off too. All right, we good. So we got that trade off, little scalp for $93. That wasn't really much, but it took all day to get it. This other one I got 261. This is my eval. So now, shoot, I need to get my other order back on real quick. Hopefully I can do this real quick and it don't dump out on me. I want to get this buy in where I had my order sitting at all this time. What we doing? Oh, got $30, 300. Trying to catch this mug before it mess around and sell it off. I think that's where I had it at. It's kind of steep, but we're gonna leave that right there. Try to get this other one in the same spot if I can. Put more money on the line. Like I said, be more aggressive with it. Ooh, it's trying to come down to it. All right, we got it on. So hopefully we can get this bad boy to tap in. It was close. Come on now. Come on, NASDAQ. You was already pushing down. I got my a sell in for my other one. Take it up, take some off. Yeah, you just heard it. That's what that was. I got one contract left on that one. Come on. Come on. There we go. Now you can bounce back up. Bounce back up to the red line. And we'll be good on it. 2 trades. This kind of, I should have made it a little tighter. This 50-point gap probably could have got it a little tighter. It give you a lot of room though, just in case it do come back and then bounce back up. But I don't really want to wait all that time. I want it to kind of be instant. Since we was holding in this area all this time, don't just roll back over. Come on, back up to the red line, back up to the 200. What's that at? 67. I'll take it. Come on, bro. It's playing with me now. It was trying. Look like we trying to go down and test the VWAP. That's what this yellow line is. And this right here, I don't want it to go down there though. I already know. I just want this bad boy to be quick enough. I just want it to be over. Ooh, about to get stopped out. Because if it get down there, that's 400. It's surely going to try to touch that 400 if it get down there. Again, just trying to keep it be up over under these wicks. But I kind of made my stuff so far kind of good for this trade. But on some normal stuff, I don't want this much room. Come on, man. Let's push back up. I know I still got one contract on that other account, but I don't really care about that account like that. That ain't a funded account. That's an eval. This, however, is a funded account. Wait a minute. I'm not even looking at the right one. Let me go. Even though they're the same. Let me see how much. Yeah, I'll be down $200 on a day. Probably won't even get to take no other trades. It's almost time for me to be done anyway for the day. Took so long to even give me a setup. Yeah, it's gonna go test it. A bounce back up would be nice. Just a little bit. How much is that right there? 300. I'm trying to see. Yeah, that's over what I want it to be. I am, however, gonna move it down just a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out. This mug, it'd be crazy. The market to go struggle to go one way, and then soon it take that mug jump out the window when it come back down. Just get all red candles. Well, mine yellow, but You get the gist. Trying to wait on this mug to either stop me out or fit or come back up. It ain't coming up. I'm pretty sure. But if I look at my other trade I was in up here, it was I'm about to go back to it, see how much is up now. And I only got one contract on. Let me move my stop down. Yeah, I'm stopped out. Ain't bad. How many I got on that one?
Stop filled.
Yeah.
Stop filled.
That sucked. So took the L on that. Them two accounts. It wasn't a blazing Tuesday today. It blazed me. All that bleeding back out. And look at it. You better not go back up there. Anyways, I'm gonna be done with this account for the day. I'm down 201 on that one. This other one, 342. How much I got left before this blown? I got 1,000 left on this one, so I'm probably gonna my next trade. I'm just gonna risk this whole thing, and I got another eval already added back in. Probably gonna add another one too, but I ain't take nothing on my other funded account. Just this one and this one. So 2 losers, 1 winner, 1 eval win, 1 eval loss, 1 funded loss. So red day for real. But anyways, if y'all like these videos, make sure you subscribe and check out the video that I leave up here in the corner. Later.